Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're just doing a quick little pizza hot dogs on the Lexington 500, the Pit Boss Lexington 500 pellet grill. I'm gonna show you how I did these, but you know, I mean, hey, hot dogs are cheap. Make some pizza dogs out of them, pizza hot dogs. Kids will love them, adults will love them. Before I take a taste test, let's go inside, show you how I put them together, and we'll be right back.
All right, well, the first thing you got to do, I have my grates open. First thing we got to do is get these Oscar Mayer all beef franks cooked up over the open fire because I like a little char on my dogs. Shouldn't take too long. Already getting some grill marks on there. Put them all over that fire. So one reason why I like that sear plate is when you do hot dogs, you can cook them like you would on a propane grill, but you're using your pellet grill. All right, these are just about how I like them. A little browning up, a little char, a little blistering, I guess you could say. Just want to keep an eye on them. They cook up really fast. And I'm going to take these off in about a minute. We'll take them inside and continue this pizza hot dog build. Take these off. That looks. That one's even better. More char. I could let them go a little bit longer, but I think that's fine for right now. Close the grate up. That easy. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my buns, put a little grated mozzarella in there. You can use whatever cheese you want. Just a little bit in there. Got this little aluminum pan. If you're making a lot, just use a big 13x9 pan or whatever you want to use. I'm just making the 4 because that's how many hot dogs I had left. I'm going to add some marinara sauce. You can use pizza sauce, whatever kind of sauce you like. This is a Trader Joe's marinara sauce. I love to use this on pizza. So that's what I'm going to use in these pizza hot dogs. Can have a decent amount, right? Okay. Then I'm going to add the hot dogs. Push them on down in there. My pan is a little bit small, but that's okay. Okay. We're going to top off with some more mozz. More cheese. Lots of cheese. What do you think so far? Use your favorite pepperonis. Put those right on top. I think we can get 3 on top. That would probably look pretty good. What do you think? A touch of cheese, maybe? Okay, now I'm going to cover this with some, loosely cover it with some foil. We're going to put them back in the pellet grill in just maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I want that cheese to melt and everything to get nice and cooked. Hopefully those pepperonis will cook up just a teeny bit. We'll see what we get. I have this up to 275 degrees. Set those in there. Doesn't really matter. We'll be back. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. See what we're looking like. Oh yeah, those look pretty good. What do you think? Let's take these off and give them a try. All right, I'm going to take these off and we'll get one out here and do a taste test.
Hey, Tommy, another hot dog video. Tommy's inspired me to get back and make some hot dogs. So today's a pizza hot dog. Just like that. Let's give it a taste. That is very tasty. I'll tell you what, if you're not a big fan of hot dogs, make a pizza hot dog. That really is flavorful and delicious. Thanks for the inspiration, Tommy. Licensed to Griddle. It's where he's been making all his hot dogs. Go check him out. He makes some really fantastic ones. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching. Come back, hit the like and subscribe. We'll be making more great food. Hey, and man, this is summertime food right here. You get a good crowd over here, make a whole big pan of these. Everybody's gonna love them. These really are tasty. All right, have a great day.